guys, this is Mike, and today I'll be showing to you the InVideo platform. So this is their new interface with the revised branding here. So as you can see, you can convert your articles to video. URL to video is almost the same. You can use pre-made templates, logo revealers. You can upload your own media or videos, or you can start from a blank canvas. So for this demo, I'll choose pre-made templates. Okay, so this is the new interface for their templates. Takes quite a bit of time to load, so if you have time, you can check out my creations like this one on their page. And as you can see, there's a lot of templates here. You can start off with this one. Of course, this is my template. Okay, as you can see, you can add your own video. You can search for videos under stock library, so you can only import a premium video if you're subscribed to their plans. Okay, so this one, it's Pixabay. This one, oops, Pixabay again. Let me quickly check. This one, yeah, Storybook. So this one is a premium video. You can add music from the library. You can upload your own. You can add your own text, stickers. So they have a lot of emojis. CTA effects. Okay, so it does not show right off the bat. Shapes. This one is for mass, so you can put an image inside this shapes. You can upload your own images, and this one are scenes. This would be the transitions. So if you select on a logo on an object, you can see that there's options on the right side, and these are the colors for the template. You can customize it. Just preview. Yeah, sometimes it takes there. So click on export, it will export your video. So I guess that ends our demo. Thank you very much. Bye.